You're worried about retirement and your pension growth. I've got every single question you could possibly have answered in a series of very simple, easy to read guides, completely free. You can see them here at alpeshpatel.com/links. If you go to the blog, which it will direct you towards, then you will see I cover everything from should you invest in a SIP or ISA or both, to the various brokerage platforms like Trading 212, which ones are good, which ones are bad, and the most popular funds and how they're not growing as much as you might think they are, and why IFAs let you down. So we've covered Royal London, Prudential Pension Fund, amongst others. Nest, we also, and it's all free, we also gone through, as I said, the brokerage and the SIP platforms like AJ Bell, Interactive Brokers, and some of the key financial terms which might help you understand all of this. It's all written in very simple language. Oh, by the way, here's a good one. SJP Polaris. They advertise like crazy. They deliver like poverty. Scottish Widows, Vanguard Life Strategy, all the most popular ones you could possibly come across. And we've done it with nice little infograms and so on. All, as I said, completely free. Just go to alpeshpatel.com/links and you can read all of these guides over there. And ask me any questions as well through the same link.